Apple, how could you do this? How could you just disappoint us with these mediocre sales like some beta-ass company? You just aren't the same Apple that I used to know. Crushing it, selling iPhones left and right, and forcing people to buy one just to fit in. Ugh, this is terrible. But wait, could this mean you're shifting to a better business model? Could you be moving from a product to a service company in anticipation of everyone already having an iPhone? Are you still the kick-ass company that I always knew you were? Well, that's what we're gonna talk about today, and whether investors got it right knocking down Apple's price these last few days. You can see since earnings, the price of Apple shares have fallen over 8%. They even broke through a significant support level. See, investors are pissed that iPhone sales are stagnating, and then on top of that, Apple said that they're not even gonna publish their unit sales going into 2019. So that means we won't even know how many iPhones they're actually selling in the future. A lot of people think this is just a cover-up, that they're trying to hide their bad growth numbers by not showing them. You know, just like how everyone takes their social media pics from a specific angle to hide all their bad parts. But the truth is that iPhone sales have been stagnant for a few years now. But revenue has actually grown anyway, and that's because Apple keeps raising the price on these things, betting that people will pay up. And it's a good bet because people do keep paying up. Everyone wants to be in that exclusive, expensive Apple club so they could just laugh at poor people. Or, you know, just anyone with an Android like me. But Apple is taking the exclusivity of their club one step further by becoming a full services company. If you're an Apple customer, think about all the services that you're already getting. You get Apple Music, Apple Pay, Apple App Store, iCloud, Apple TV, and with the Apple TV, the coming Apple Flicks. You are deep, deep, deep into the Apple system, and on top of that, they want to get you hooked even more by getting you involved in their live events. They've got these free events at Apple stores now called Today at Apple, where they teach creators things like making films, making music, how to take a good selfie, you know, all kinds of stuff like that. So what they're trying to do is create this new kind of community, social network where people, they meet face to face inside of their stores and they actually communicate with each other, which is actually a lot like old social networks, you know, before technology when you actually had to physically go see people. So it's not that creative. But the point is, as the smartphone market matures and people are only buying new phones to replace their old ones, Apple is shifting their focus to where their future revenues are going to come from, which is by providing services to this community. So they're thinking ahead to the future. They're skating to where the puck is, not where it was, which is exactly what you want to see a good company do. So I'm not worried about them. In fact, I'm bullish. This is the right move and Tim Cook is crushing it. But would I buy now? No. But that's just because I would wait for a setup first. Like I said before, support level is just broken. This isn't the time for me to enter. But whatever you do, make sure you follow your own strategy and your own risk management, because I don't know what's best for you. And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit that bell for notifications of new videos. We publish about 3 a week, all markets and business related. So subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.